Okay, welcome back to the second video. In this video I'm going to actually go through how I set up the internal structure here of WordPress. In particular what I do with thesis and what I do with the plugins. The first video went over the basic setup with all the permalinks and pages and categories. This will just discuss plugins and thesis. So here we go. Let's go to plugins first. And here we're going to install in sort of all the plugins that I think are at this point absolutely necessary for you to get started with your WordPress. So the first thing I like to install is Google Sitemaps. So you just under install plugins, add plugins, I just type in Google Sitemap and I just search for the particular one I want, and I always install this one here, Google XML Sitemaps. You notice there's a ton of other ones here. This is just what I have done over the last year or so, and it just always seems to be this one, and it hasn't really given me any problems. So you just click on Install Now and hit OK, and I will just pause now. Activate the plugin. I'll go in and actively add in all the other plugins, and then we'll discuss each of them. Okay, as you can see from here, I've gone ahead and just done the same with the other plugins. So here's the Google XML Sitemaps that I installed. The other one that I install when you go to search for it is called Easy Privacy Policy. This adds a privacy policy that is allows you to put AdSense on the site. Well, it keeps your site legit in the front of Google's eyes. The third one I install is called Dagon Design Sitemap Generator. What this does is it generates a basic HTML-like sitemap to your site. So it's really important to have both the XML and the regular sitemap on your site. And then the other one I install is called Contact Form 7. And you just search for Contact Form 7 and install that. So all four of these are now activated. So let's go ahead and get these all working here. So what you want to do is you want to go down to your Settings tab, and we'll go. I always start at the bottom here with the XML sitemaps. And I'll just put it on pause. Okay, and with Google XML Sitemaps, just leave everything as is. You don't really need to worry about any of this other stuff. If you have interest in doing that, you can go and read about it yourself. But what you want to do is here is the sitemap wasn't built yet. Click here to build it for the first time. You just click on that to build it, and it should come back saying that everything was successfully notified. Then I go down to my settings again, whoops, and I go to the DD Sitemap Generator. And the reason why I go here is there's a couple things that you're going to want to change on it. In particular, you want to change here to your keyword. So keyword sitemap is what I want to call it. And then you want to go down here and add the full path to your XML sitemap. And once that's added, then you just update options. So the next thing I want to do is I want to click on this link here, because I always forget about this, but it's nice you can click on it so you don't have to remember. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go down to this part here, and you're going to copy and paste it. And where you're going to paste it is you're going to go to Pages, Add New. Call your page Sitemap. Click on the HTML tag and paste in your map generator. So now your basic sitemap page is done. So then what I do is I go down to the contact here. I go into Edit, and what I want to go here is grab this here, and so I want to highlight this and I want to copy it. We're going to add another new page, and we're going to call it Contact. And again, we'll paste that code here. And it looks like I didn't get this all done in this video, so I'm going to have to create another one. So just scroll down till you get to video 3, and we'll carry on from here.